finally getting around to doing the February Boxycharm unboxing. Me and my daughter have been sick constantly this winter. I'm freaking over it. Well, let's get into it. So first thing up when I open this is a Fenty Skin Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream plus an eye massage tool. This one is $44. And it's like this little thing with this little tool. So that'll be interesting to use. I think I'll put this in my freezer or fridge. Next up is Sweet Cheeks. Unveil your inner glow with the Sweet Cheeks Bronzer Duo. So that'd be nice. I like that it has kind of like a more grayish tone and then a deeper one, so you could even contour with this one, depending on your skin tone, obviously, but it's cute. I like it. Oh, and that is $32. What's Up Beauty. It is Wine Dancer Pressed Setting Powder in the color Light. And this retails for $32, it looks like. Hopefully these prices are right. I should be looking at the actual websites for these, but I'm just looking off of the Boxycharm Ipsy website. But it has like a little butterfly. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty cute. Oh, cute. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Contour Plus Stick Contour Plus Highlight. This retails for $25. It's like a whole situation, my God. I'm a hot mess, dude. Constantly. Hot freaking mess express over here. Okay. So here's the contour stick. Okay, so this is just the contour stick. I don't really know if it means and highlight because it just came with just the contour stick and the color fawn. So yeah, that's interesting. On the paper, it shows that like it comes with this little thing in the box of the contour, and it shows like there's a banana shade for highlight, but maybe like that's just a way to sell you on it. I don't know. That's weird. Anyway, so just the contour stick, which is great. I love contour sticks, but I was just confused with the highlight portion of it. So moving on. The last one is the All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in the color Rose Taupe. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. Let's see if I can. Swatch it there for you. Very creamy. Very, very, very creamy. Like almost too creamy. But we'll see. I'll use it and see how it goes. It's very pretty though. And then that one cost retail is $22. We have 44 plus 32 plus 32 plus 25 plus 22. $155 for the retail value of the box. That's pretty good. I will use all these products. I'll do a different video on the review of these and see how they are. And I will let you guys know. Okay, thanks.